Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. So today I am going to share with you guys a walkthrough of this absolutely amazing venue, and I'll show you kind of how to put together an outdoor wedding on a budget, especially under the COVID-19 restrictions. So as you can see behind me, it is so absolutely gorgeous. The view is absolutely breathtaking, and when you're looking for a venue, you want to look for a venue that has a lot of things to offer. So I'm going to share with you guys kind of the bare bones of this video, of this venue. Before we add any decor, before we add anything, I want you to see how gorgeous it is all by itself. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is right now we're toying between the idea of having the reception out here overlooking this gorgeous view, or doing the ceremony out here and doing the reception on the inside. But I love the tables. I love the chairs, and of course with the tables I would do a colored tablecloth there. And then right now they have the blue umbrellas out here, but you guys, it looks so fantastic with the blue sky. So
we're moving through the night like we're from a different star.
over here are like the bar tables with the clear bar stools, and out over here is like the reception venue area. We can also do the drinks up on the patio there. Stunning. Can you say stunning? Oh my gosh. Stunning. Okay, so another beautiful area that they had was this rotunda area. It would be great for a bride that absolutely had to have an arch, because they have a no arch policy here due to the winds being so high and them being on the mountain. The bridal party could just simply come down the stairs here. They also have an indoor area. This is definitely a must, especially if there's inclement weather or if you got married here in the winter time. I like to call this bridal boring, because you can do pretty much anything on the inside of this building and it not really interfere with your color palette or anything like that. I also love the fireplace that is over on the right. Now, this next area was a total surprise for me. I was attracted to the arch there, but there was really nowhere for the guests to sit for the wedding part, so that was canceled. But this beautiful mansion, it is definitely a historical home. I just thought this was an excellent alternate for a wedding site. I love the stairway. You could kind of line the bridal parties up on the stairwell area and then put the guests on either side. And the walkway also serves as a aisle area for the bride to walk down. So I absolutely love this. I think it's very picturesque as well. I'm a lover of castles, and I got engaged in front of a castle. I did my engagement photos in front of a castle. So that really gives me the castle vibe and just kind of creates a totally different area for the ceremony should everything be held outside. So the reception could be done over the sky view, and then the ceremony could be done here, and the guests can just simply take a short walk back to the reception area. So I absolutely love this space. I don't think it needs much decor, maybe some flowers on either side and some flowers down the railing, and that's about it. I would love a structure in the middle, but again, freestanding structures are not allowed at this venue due to the wind and causing, those things to implode. So now that you have seen all of the different areas, I would love to hear from you, your favorite space if you were to get married. Would you like your reception to be held in the sky view, or your wedding ceremony to be held here? Let me know down below. Do you absolutely have to have an arch, or would you consider the mansion for your ceremony area or your reception area? The rotunda, what would you do with that area? Would you put food there? Would you get married there? I'd love to know. Or are you the kind of girl that just absolutely loves a reception hall? Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tour. Stay tuned for the finished wedding. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!